said, I didn't mean to skip that. If it weren't for people like me, the world would be a worse place. What did you just say? Okay. I'm a member of an association that reports immoral content on TV and social media. You should be grateful. Yeah, that sure is coming into play right now, ain't it? And what do you consider immoral? Anything political indoctrination? Those hippies use movies and series to... Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness.